Alright guys, so now we're on alright, first things first, what we do, just type in Roboforex and just click first link basically. Then we scroll down to the bottom and click open an account. Alright, so I'm going to open an account, regular, and we're going to work from there. So we're going to put in our email. Say it's email will be used, yeah, and confirm everything, and then next step. Alright, so what they do, they give you like your password and everything, your members ID, currencies of wallet open, wallet master password. I think you should kind of remember all of these things, and yeah, that's really pretty much it for that. So we're going to know, we're going on my real account, and the leverage we want is 1 to 500 is sufficient. Alright, affiliate code, well, you don't need that. Residence, I'm going to fix this. Alright, so the information and everything, you can change your account password. I am going to change my password because, well, it's going to be easier to remember if you put in like a personal password. Alright, so they're going to send me a confirmation code. They say it was sent to my email. So confirmation code. So we can just click the account, change password, or you can like simply just copy and paste it and put it in there. But essentially it's the same thing that's going to happen. Alright, so what you're going to really know is just putting the password that you had entered early on, the one that you changed it to, and okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to put it in, and then come back here. We just copy and paste it right here, and then send that. So they say password was changed and successfully, executed, yada. So what we're going to know is fund account. Okay, we don't have to move from where we are. We're just going to fund account same time. And the methods that you have currently are, well, first thing first, remember that your emails you can use to actually trade, but just using this to show you an example on how to actually create an account. So the same process, it was the same thing that I did for the IC market video. So it's really nothing complicated, as I say. So just go and do that, and you'll be able to trade. Just put in the information that's in your email. And what our aim is now is to do simple deposit. Alright, simple deposit. Alright, this is how we're going to simple deposit. So click simple deposit. The bonus, it gives you additional money to trade, but at the same time you can't withdraw until supersede profits. So we're not doing that. We're just here to try to get some Bitcoin in, right? So we're going Visa card, and we're going to put in, let's say we're going to put $12. All right, $12. Wait, we're going should select USD and deposit funds. Alright, so you're going carry now to a next page. You're going to ask your date of birth, which is weird. I guess probably because I'm not verified as yet, so they're probably just asking me this for some reason. So what we're going to know, we're going to put in our banking information, and I'm gonna get you. By the way, remember to put it in before the time execution is over. So what I'm gonna do, I'm putting my information and then get back to you guys. So we're still on the account page. What we're going to know in the meantime is profile verification, and we're going to just do that, which is just adding like, you know, your various IDs. When you do that now, you will be good for, yeah, you'll be good. So we're just going to put in all of these, and then you will be able to like deposit money. Alright, so we're going to just simply just click pass verification, and then, you know, we'll be good. So yeah. Alright, so when you click the profile now, it'll carry right here. So unconfirm, they're going to send you an email. You just pull it from your email account, and you're supposed to go at the same time. So them send you a code. You work with the code they send you. Work with the code they send you and put it in, you get a confirmation. Alright, so they confirm, the email confirm. Alright, then, you know, passport, you know, the boat verification. So you just put in those things, and you can find address. You can maybe use like a driver's license or something else, something that reflects your address, and then you'll be good. You'll be, so you know, regular information, issuing authority for the documents. Alright, so you pick no for the, like, are you put no? Well, that's if you aren't, and you know, the regular things. Number of your ID card, just put in all of those things. So you put in all the information, and then you just choose your file. So the first one was the passport. I'm going to put the passport. And then this one now, for the, you know, you can choose anything. So you know, pick driver's license and everything, and then press continue. And that is it, guys. I already have an account, so yeah, walk it through it step by step. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe. Next time when you see me, is I'm going to do the whole Bitcoin procedure. Alright.
Alright guys, so what we're going to do, we're going to just log back into our creator account, but I'll start it from the outside page. Alright, so we're going to log back in, and remember guys, follow exactly what I am doing. Alright, the way guys say alright, I'll show you to do this, and then you end up not getting what you're supposed to get. Alright, so what we do now is simple. We're going to go to withdrawal. Remember we had better, just to refresh you guys mind, remember when you're depositing, when you go to deposit and you see, just give it a second, so you come to deposit and you see the deposit methods. Just ensure that when you click the card, you do not use bonus saver, you use simple deposit. If you use bonus saver, there are some complications with it. So just use simple deposit, which just means that any deposit that you deposit into your account, say if you deposit $10, $10 going to be in there. If you use bonus saver, if you deposit $10, I think maybe like 12 or maybe 20 some dollars, depends. So yeah, just simple deposit, and then you put in your amount, you know, you choose whatever. But and then the procedure essentially is self-explanatory, isn't it? So there's that. When depositing your account, specify the amount of currency. So when you deposit, when you go to deposit, so when you choose a payment, remember to use the card payment, and then you deposit, and then there's a currency, and you pick USD and you deposit. Alright, so it going just basically it going reroute, and then going deposit, and you're going to put in your card information and everything, and you're going to just carry, and then you just put in whatever you want and then pay, and then the money will be reflected in your account. So since I already do that, I going to come out of that particular thing. Why did I explain this? Why did I explain this to them? Yeah, why did I explain that? So now when still go to funds, now that we have deposited, we're going withdraw. Alright, we're going withdraw funds, and all the time you're going to notice that the account balance will be at the bottom right there. Alright, so now we're going to withdraw. We're going to choose our withdrawal method, and we're going to use Bitcoin. Alright, so go Bitcoin and our Ethereum, but this is where I say you can actually get it for free. So when you look, it's a please note, yada yada yada, and it said the current fund withdrawal request will be fulfilled without any commission according to the rule of free fund withdrawal program, which just simply mean that they say zero commission on these days. Don't miss your next date for free, so you can withdraw for free, so no commission. If you deposit $10, you want to withdraw $10 going to be it, so you see within so the 6 and the 20, and today is the 20, so yeah. So what we're going to do now, we're going to just go back, we're going to come out that particular thing, we're going to go, what we're going to do, we're going remember your account password, yada yada yada, and then the amount you want to withdraw, which is 554, or any amount you put in. Say you want, say you have a Coinbase, which I'm assuming is Coinbase you guys have, you're going to use that, and then you're good. So you're going to use that, and then you know how to actually get your information from Coinbase. So Coinbase, you can click new, and you just copy and paste the information right there, and then you withdraw funds, and then you're golden. So that is really it, guys. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, And yeah, so enjoy, I guess, you know. So I'll catch you in the next video, maybe. Yeah, catch you in the next video.